The main purpose of Nazarbayev Intellectual Schools is to bring up intellectual society in our nation. Therefore, our schools spread to all regions of Kazakhstan, and to study here, students should pass complex competitive selection. Also, our curriculum is special. Our schools collaborated with Cambridge University to create this curriculum. Moreover, there are lots of educative works in our schools. One of the projects is Wiki Club. Wiki Club is a branch of Wikibilim Foundation. This foundation was created by Rawan Kinjikhanova, and the main purpose of this fund is to expand limited content of internet in Kazakh language. The reason of this limitation is young age of Kazakhstan. We became independent only in 1991, but despite this short period of time, we reached lots of achievements. As I said before, the main purpose of Nazarbayev Intellectual School is to develop an intelligent country, and Wikipedia is the best project for this. In 2011, we became the country with the sharpest growth, and we will try to work in this tendency. Therefore, when we arrive at home, we will share our experience that we gained on Wikimedia 2013, and we will try to discover this Wiki Club for all students of Kazakhstan.
We are a big team, a delegation from Kazakhstan. We came from 11 cities in Kazakhstan. We came here for one common goal, to develop Wikipedia. In our schools we have little Wikipedia clubs. So there was our first meeting in Kazakh Wikipedia, and since this meeting we help to make Kazakh Wikipedia better and bigger.
My name is Alpamis. I'm from Kazakhstan and I hail from Almaty city. I would like to underline the importance of Wikipedia in our educational process, because many of international teachers who are teaching our students educate us with the help of Wikipedia. And they also suggest us to use sites such as Wikipedia or Wikimedia in order to increase our knowledge and in order to make us better, make us smarter. And I think that in the future, role of Wikipedia will increase, and it will be some gain of knowledge which everybody, not only Kazakhs, can use in order to increase their level of knowledge.
Hi, my name is Ernur. I'm from Kazakhstan, Nazarbayev Intellectual School in Astana, and I'm going to 9th grade. Our school's target is invite students from other schools in our country, and we are going to improve our Kazakh Wikipedia, get a lot of new articles about Kazakhstan, about other subjects, and about other countries. So we are coming in Gangkong because new students are very active and want to show our dream or our goal, how we want to improve our Kazakh Wikipedia.